Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamaraly. If you are new here, if you have not subscribed to me, please be sure to do so right now. Give this video a thumbs up because I promise you guys, as soon as you're done, you are going to thank me for this amazing recipe. What we're gonna be making today is a matcha protein latte. It's amazing and it's kind of like a trend now. If you have TikTok, if you downloaded TikTok, it's all over that. If you're someone like me that loves Starbucks and spending money, this will save you a lot of money in the long run, just because you can make this simple, delicious drink at home. Matcha has a lot of benefits, so not only is it great, it is amazing for your health as well. So without further ado, I'm just gonna jump right into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so for the ingredients, everything that you will need, you'll just need some oat milk or just your preferred choice of milk. You can do coconut milk, almond milk. I preferably like it with oat milk better. Then you just need your choice of matcha powder. This is the Navida's Organics matcha powder. I simply just bought this from Publix. I have my choice of protein. This is creamy vanilla and this is the isopure protein. I love this protein. I will link it down in my description box on where you can purchase that. I have some sugar here, just a mason jar with some ice cubes in it already, and then just a cup. This already has a little bit of hot water in there. This is just because this is where we're gonna mix the matcha powder prior to placing it in the blender to combine all the ingredients together. So for this mason jar, you don't really need a mason jar. This is just because I like the way this looks. It makes everything that I drink look cute. I will link in my description box where I purchased this. I got it off Amazon. It was a really cute set. It came with about like 4 or 5 of them with metal straws, a cap that looked like this. It just came with it and a straw cleaner. So I thought that was cute. So if you guys are interested, I'll link that in my description box for you guys to purchase below. Okay, so the first thing that you guys have to do for the matcha protein latte is take your matcha powder. Okay, I'm putting that in the video. I'm putting that in the video just so you know. You're fucking disgusting. You're disgusting. So the first thing that you guys have to do is take your matcha powder. Like I said, this is my Navida's Organic Matcha Powder. I got this from Publix. Matcha is super expensive, so you just want to make sure that you're very diligent on with how much you guys use. So I use some about like this much. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Can they see it? Okay, so about this much, and then I'm gonna just place it in this cup. This already has hot water in it. It only has enough hot water, like very small amount of hot water. You don't need a lot. All right, so once you place the matcha powder in your cup of hot water, what you're gonna do now is you're going to mix it. I'm just using a spoon because I couldn't find a whisker. I'm at my boyfriend's house. I couldn't find a whisker here. Usually with matcha, what you use is like this bamboo whisker. They sell that on Amazon. I'm not sure if you've seen it. If you have one, then good for you. That's like the OG way, but I'm just gonna use this spoon. So what I like to do is I just like to mix it up, usually in like a W. They say to mix it in like a W because that's kind of like whisking motions. Until it becomes like completely liquefied. There's no more powder and you start seeing like bubbles, because that's how I know like it's frothy. I'm just gonna mix it. All right, so I'm pretty much finished with my matcha. The matcha portion. So what it should look like, can I see it? It should look like that. It's pretty much just liquefied. There's no more powder. So that's what it should look like. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your blender, and I am going to add the protein powder. And I'm just gonna take 1 scoop of that, like so. And I'm just gonna add it to the blender. The next thing I'm going to add is that matcha mix that you made. Like that. Then I'm gonna take the oat milk and then I'm gonna add the oat milk to the blender. Add the oat milk to the blender. just like that. So that's what it should look like. And then this is upon choice. I prefer to add sugar into mine. You don't have to, but I usually just take a spoonful of sugar, or not even a spoonful, like half a spoonful, and just add it to the blender. All right, so once you have your mix together, I just added the cap to my blender. Then I'm just gonna take the blender and then attach it and then blend everything together. All right, so once you have blended it, I'm just gonna show you what your mix should look like. Super frothy, it's super bubbly. So it should look something just like this. Alea, you can't eat this, mommy. So it should look just like this. Oh, she's getting mad. Baby, you can't have it. No, mommy. You can't have it, baby, you can't. It's not for you. All right, so once you have blended your mix and everything looks frothy, nice, and smooth, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your cup or whatever jar. Like I said, I'm using my mason jar, and then I'm gonna take my mix and then I am going to pour it in all the way to the top. And then I'm gonna add my cap and straw and enjoy. It's so good, and matcha has a lot of good benefits, and then on top of that I added protein to it, so you can use this as a protein shake or just a nice snack to drink throughout the day. But other than that, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below on anything that you would like to see me make next. If you have not subscribed to me, please be sure to do so. Also, let me know if you have replicated this matcha latte protein shake, whatever you want to call it. I'd love to hear if you guys liked it. But other than that, I do hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.